Congratulations on making it this far. I hope you have your guitar, because here's a play along. We're going to do some different speeds with this. Start out slow and work our way up. So get your guitar. If you're all ready, here we go. All right, here's 30 beats per minute. Very important. We are not going to play on the and of 1. It's a rest. And we're not playing on the and of 4. That's a rest as well. So there's a total of 8 beats in the measure as the metronome is clicking. And we're only playing 6 of them. So we're resting on the and of 1 and resting on the and of 4. All right? So you can see I put the counting down here as well. All right, let's give it a go. 30 beats per minute, and we'll have a count off. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 2. 1, rest, 2, and 3, and 4, rest, 1, rest, 2, and 3, and 4, rest, 1, rest, 2, and 3, and 4, rest, 1, rest, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, rest, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, rest, 2, and 3, and 4, rest, 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 1, 2, 3. All right, this is going to be 40 beats per minute. Now you'll notice that the metronome is only clicking off 4 downbeats per measure. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. But of course we have and beats in the middle, counted 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. A really easy way to help your guitar playing is to set the metronome on double time. So if this is 40 beats, what you do is you set your metronome to 80 beats per minute, and then it will click off 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's very helpful. So this is 40 beats per minute, and we're just going to hear with the click the downbeats, but I'll count it out. Here we go. Let me start this off. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, pause, 1, pause, 2, 3 and 4, pause, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, pause. Then of course you can just repeat, start from the beginning again and repeat it. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. All right, little break in the action here. If you're enjoying this song Breeze and you'd like to learn some more one and even two-fingered easy songs, easy finger-picking songs, I started a Gateway Songbook a while back and I never finished it. And if you could comment below and let me know if I should finish this. I think if I get about 25 people that would comment below, I'm probably going to have the energy to finish it. At least I'll know that people want it. It's going to be free to the guitar students here, all my students. So just comment below, let me know yes or no with the songbook if I should finish it. And okay, back to the song Breeze. Let's go back with the play along. 60 beats per minute. 3, here we go. 70 beats per minute. 3, here we go. Okay, and here we go. 1, 2, 80. .90 beats per minute. Here we go. 100 beats per minute. Here we go. All right, we'll see you in the next video.